YouTube and welcome to another video of life experience. Today I just want to talk about a very special hot sauce that I'm gonna make. It's actually a Mediterranean hot sauce, and I thought of sharing it and the channel. And so the recipe of this hot sauce is basically, as you can see, one tomato, big tomato right here, and a little bit of cilantro, and some garlic, as you can see right here, like a little piece of garlic, and green pepper, and I'll show you the results of it. So I cut it into small pieces, as you can see right here. This is the cilantro, garlic, green pepper or jalapeno, and the tomato, as you can see. Now I'm just gonna put in the blender, basically all of it. Here. If you'd like, after you use the blender, and just want to show you. Smells very good, by the way. I'm excited to try this out, and I hope you do. Hey guys, sorry about that, and I forgot to put to tell you that you gotta put some salt in it. And that's all. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.